What you doing, nosy neighbor?
Paradise on Earth.
What do you have it?
I don't know, what do you think? Did I get some?
Probably was sparking. It's tinted as well.
You wanna cheat on me? I can't even call you stupid bitch, huh? Now you fucking laughing, you stupid bitch. Keep fucking playing with me.
Oh my god.
I'm surprised these local cops are going in and it's not like a SWAT team.
It looks skittish, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh,
They like definitely don't look like they're comfortable doing any of this. He's going. Oh my goodness.
Ain't up and be a fucking man. Fuck that, Troy. I'm out, goddamn it. You're not the fucking man. I mean, I didn't marry no pussy.
I owe it.
I don't give a fuck.
I owe it.
Oh wait, what is that? Is that a camera?
Come on, dog. Now! Right fucking now!
This is not attached to the ceiling.
What's the difference?
It's in a box to the door.
So it's glue now. That's what you're saying?
No, it's probably got the tape right here. Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. Glue on
no,
something.
it's to the door.
Huh?
Yes. You put that one in.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for
When your neighbor nosier than you.
Good morning, y'all. I'm a very nosy bitch, okay? Last night, my neighbors was arguing loud as hell. They live above me, so I stood on my bed to listen to the argument. I also went in my closet because I think the walls are thinner in there so I can hear better, okay? Anyway, it sounded domestic as fuck up there. I heard shit clinking and clacking. He left, and I don't know what time he came back home. Now, he back. Okay.
Hey, what is he doing coming over here?
I don't care.
Sheriff's Department, let me see your hands.
You guys need any help? Stay inside, honey.
When you're a nosy neighbor.
What is he doing?
Yo, tell me why my neighbor is over there at the car accident scene like this is his car.
Let me see. Bro.
What are you doing?